Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Friends, today I am going to talk how to grow salvia from the seedling. I got 6 seedling, I bought 6 seedling. Now the seedlings are quite mature. Whenever you are buying a seedling, always buy the seedling where the roots are properly developed and at least it must have more than 5 leaves. Okay, in one of my seedling, 2 of my seedling, you will see the flower buds also. So salvia are perennial as well as annual. Some salvia are annual, some salvia is perennial. Salvia comes under different colors. Now see here, if you see the stem of the salvia, alright, this purple. Okay, now if you see the stem of the salvia, so this is green. Okay, so from stem also you can make the flowers will be of different color. Their flowers will be of different colors. Okay, in some plant you can see the leaves and check whether the flowers are of same color or are different color. So potting mix, talking about the potting mix for the transplantation of salvia, so you can use 40 to 50% of garden soil. I've used 40% of garden soil. Then I've used 30% of sand, okay, fine sand, river sand, and I've used 30% of vermicompost. So 30% of vermicompost, 30% of river sand, and 40% of garden soil. So you can use 50% of garden soil also. So you can use 50% of garden soil, and you can use 25% of sand and 25% of vermicompost. If you don't have vermicompost, you can use the cow dung compost. Okay, if you want to use a leaf compost, you can use leaf compost also. So I have prepared well drainage type of soil. Now my pot, all right, I'm taking 6 inch of pot. If you can take 8 inch of pot also. Okay, you can take 8 inch of pot also. I don't have space, that is why I'm taking 6 inch of plastic pot. So make sure whichever pot you are taking, all right, whichever plot you are taking, it has got sufficient drainage hole. See, it has got lots of drainage hole. Okay, so now cover the drainage hole with a stone. I have got this one. I'll cover this drainage hole with the stones, and I'll fill this. I'll cover this drainage hole with this stone, and I'll fill this with the potting mixture. So when you are filling the potting mixture, make sure you leave 1 inch out here, okay, on the top, 1 inch of space at the top, so that you can give fertilizer or afterwards. So friends, I filled the pot, 6 pot with the potting mixture, and if you see this, I have left the gap of 1 inch or 2 inch out here at the top, so afterwards I can add the fertilizer when the plants are fully grown. So I have added the water also, so that after transplanting the seedling does not get disturbed. So now friends, I am going to transplant this. So while transplanting, I'll put this much of the stem inside the soil, so with the roots. So I have already watered this. Now don't put whole stem in the soil. So after transplant, I have already added the water, so I'm not going to add too much of water. Now I'll add little bit of water so that air pocket gets removed. In my previous video, so I have discussed the reporting of succulent. Now you can see the succulent which I have reported 3 weeks back. Now new shoot has started coming. So you can see new shoots, it's growing nicely, properly. So friends, if you like my channel, please comment, share and subscribe. So stay home, stay safe, keep watching HR Garden. Thank you.